All that is gold does not glitter, not all those who wander are lost. The old that is strong does not wither, deep roots are not reached by the frost. We don't choose the time that we live in, we can only decide how to live in the times that have chosen us. Faithless is he that says "for" when the road darkens. The world is full enough of hurts and mischances without wars to multiply them. A man that flies from his fear may find that he has only taken a shortcut to meet it.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Shortcuts make long delays. Any riddle solved then seems surprisingly easy. Fair speech may hide a foul heart.
Everything you know is in your mind.
It is not the strength of the body that counts, but the strength of the spirit.
Where there's life there's hope. Courage is found in unlikely places. Defeat inevitably awaits only those who despair in advance. All's well that ends better. There is more good in you than you know. There is no victory without suffering. False hope are more dangerous than fears. And the most skillful spider allows slack in his web. Even the smallest person can change the course of the future.
I am talking aloud to myself a lot. A habit all the old. They choose the wisest person present to speak to.
The wise speak only of what they know. Luck is a tricky thing, don't tempt it.
How do you move on? You move on when your heart finally understands that there is no turning back.
You can only come to the morning through the shadows. There are wounds that will never fully heal. If you don't have kids after 30, it means that the message hasn't been sent after all. Children are living messages that we send at a time that we will never be able to see. It is useless to meet revenge with revenge, it will heal nothing. Do not complicate your life with belated regrets. You cannot be a tyrant and an advisor at the same time. Dissolving untimely rumors is always dangerous, they can go to the wrong address.
In order to unleash a war, the desire of one side is enough.
Let him not vow to walk in the dark, who has not seen the nightfall.
Are you all my personal dreams?
Faithless is he that says "for" when the road darkens.